Let's learn about the proper safety procedure when encountering a spill in a retail environment. The question is, if you see a spill of food or liquid on the sales floor, what's the first thing you should do? Let's look at our options. Here we have a typical retail floor scenario with a spill. Option A, find out who was responsible for causing the spill. Option B, call for a custodian or maintenance person to clean it up. Option C, find a mop or broom and clean it up yourself. Option D, stand near or over the spill to direct traffic away from it until it can be cleaned up. Let's analyze why option D is the correct answer. The most immediate concern in any spill situation is preventing accidents and injuries. By standing near the spill and directing traffic away from it, you create an immediate safety barrier between the hazard and potential victims. Option A, finding who caused the spill, doesn't address the immediate safety concern. Option B, calling for cleanup while necessary, isn't the first priority. And option C, cleaning it up yourself, could leave the area unattended while you look for cleaning supplies. Here's the proper sequence of steps. First, stand guard at the spill. Then, once you've secured the area, you can arrange for cleanup while maintaining your position. Only after the area is properly cleaned should you investigate the cause if necessary. Remember, in any safety situation, preventing immediate harm should always be your first priority. By choosing to stand guard over the spill, you're taking direct action to protect the safety of customers and coworkers,